Renewable sources of energy. The sources of energy which can be renewed, which can be used again and again. Tidal power. Tidal power, hydroelectric power is produced from the generator that are driven by water turbines. These power plants are usually located in dams that restrict or control the flow of rivers. Falling water enters the turbine and the moving blades power the generator to produce electricity. Out of the three major sources of energy, water is the most important. It is used to generate electric power. The other major sources of energy are fossil fuels and nuclear fuels. Hydroelectric power accounts for 24% of the total world's electricity. 24% of the world's electricity is produced by the tidal power. In some countries like Norway and the Democratic Republic of Congo, it accounts for 99% of the world's electricity, while in Brazil, it produces 91% of electricity. Canada is the world's largest producer of tidal power, followed by US. The other major tidal power producing countries include Russia, China, Brazil, and Norway. Tidal power has the advantage of being a renewable energy source that is also a non-polluting power generating resource. Advantage of using tidal power is, first is, it is non-renewable energy resource which can be renewed, which can be used again and again, and second is, it is also a non-polluting power generating resource. Next is solar power. Sunlight is the largest source of non-polluting renewable energy received on earth. Solar energy can be directly converted into electricity by the solar cell, photovoltaic cell. Of course, a single cell can produce 2 watts, but many connected cells can produce thousands of kilowatts of electric power. A single cell can produce only 2 watts, but many connected cell can produce thousands of kilowatts. However, this involves large investment and hence not a very popular energy producing option. So solar energy is not so popular because it involves large investment. A huge amount of money is required. Solar energy is mostly used for low powered items such as watches, calculators, cooker, water pump, lanterns and water heater. Though solar energy is free, the high cost of collection, conversion and storage restricts its use. Solar energy is free, but the production of solar energy is very high. India receives a lot of sunlight, so there is huge potential for solar power. Presently, solar power is replacing 5 million diesel pumps in India. A solar power project has also been proposed for the Thar Desert. India has the possibility of solar power in huge amount.